Hello and welcome to Appello. In this video, I'm going to explain how to log into the desktop application and the mobile application of Appello. Step number one, you're going to go and find the URL that was provided to you when you signed up for Appello. In this case, we have a new instance of Appello called Appello Mechanical, and Appello Mechanical.useappello.app is the URL for the desktop application. Your URL will look similar to that. Open up Chrome. I would recommend using Chrome for a web application like this and navigate to the URL that was provided to you that will look a lot like that. Don't worry about where it says sign in. You can literally just type it in without anything before or after it, just like that. Okay, press enter, and that's going to load what I call the desktop application, or the cloud-based version of the application that is going to work best on your computer or laptop. Also works great on tablet, so food for thought. If you want to use this on your tablet, you can. But we have also built a purpose-built application for the mobile side. And so what you see here is me actually navigating to it in Chrome. In this case, and which will be very similar to your instance, you're going to sign into the mobile app by going to the URL provided to you, which is the exact same as what we just typed in, only after the name of your company, there's going to be a -mobile. So in this case, it's Appello Mechanical-mobile.useappello.app. And again, when you type it in the first time, don't worry about this stuff that loads when it loads, but it would look like this: Appello Mechanical-mobile.useappello.app. This portion for your company would be unique to you and will be provided to you when you sign up. And so that will load the login screen for the mobile application. Okay, so let's get logged into the desktop application so you can see what it looks like. I'm going to get logged in with my admin login and password. Your login and password will be provided to you on your initial sign up. Okay, and let's take a look at what we see here. When you log in, it's going to look a lot like this. I'm actually going to minimize it just a little bit on my screen by clicking Command-. It's going to just reduce the size of the font on the screen right in Chrome. So you can consider using that Command or Control- and plus will adjust your zoom. I like it right about here. If they're not already selected, come on in and click Create Metrics. And let's toggle on all of the metrics that you have access to. Okay, and we'll click Save. And now you can see what the Appello application looks like. We can also do the same for the mobile app. Let's get logged in. And so first thing I'm going to get you to do is we can go over to Workforce, go over to Users. Okay. And that is my PIN code. So within Appello, to log into the mobile app, you use your last name. So I'm logged in as the administrator. Okay, so my last name, you can see my first name is admin, my last name is Strader, and my PIN code is 54321. So I'll bring that back here, type it in 54321, and I'll get logged in. And now you'll see that I'm logged in on the mobile app. So I've logged in both on the desktop application here, okay, which is what's going to be used mainly in the office. And then I've also logged into the mobile application, which is what's going to be used in the field. Now, your question probably is, well, I don't want to use the mobile application in my browser. I want to use it on my phone. So how do I do that? So what I've got here, I've got my phone hooked up to my computer. And if I change my camera, I'll bring up my mobile phone. Okay, so here we are. So this is my mobile phone. And what I've done is I've navigated to that same URL, which is Appello Mechanical, okay, down here, Appello Mechanical-mobile.useappello.app. It's going to bring you into a login screen like this. Now, everybody's going to get a set of instructions on how to add the mobile application to your phone, how to install it as an app. But for now, I'm just going to sign in the browser so you can see it. So again, I'll use my last name for this user account, and I'll type in my PIN. And you can see now I'm logged in on the mobile app. No different than I was when I was down here and I signed into the mobile app on my browser. Okay, they're absolutely identical. So if I flip between the two, that's the mobile app on my phone. This is the mobile app on in Chrome, and then this is the desktop application. So this is how you get logged into Appello. Again, you log into the desktop application with your email and password, and you log into the mobile app using your last name and the 5-digit PIN code.